What's up, guys? Today I want to do a little, I guess, like a modding on a Tacoma. So I want to put Tacoma letters right up in there. Overlays in black color. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And for that, I'm going to use this. I got this off of Amazon. If you guys are interested, I can put a description section below. And yeah, I mean, let's get to it. I mean, it's a plain simple thing actually. It's just these are just the stickers, so I'm gonna be laying them over the stamped area, and I'll let you guys take a look at it once it's done. Stay tuned. In this process, what I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna use a alcohol, lint-free towel to wipe the area off before applying the letters, placing the letters on top. And then I just opened this up, so it came in a good packaging. It does have a very well laid out instructions manual. Not that I don't, not that I really need it, but I've done it in the past on my 2017 Tacoma. But still, for newbies, for people who haven't tried it before, this could be very useful. And these are the letters. So let me show you guys. I'm going to add a little bit of Gorilla Glue behind each letter to keep it in place for a lot longer. And like I said, my 2017, I did the same thing, and those letters been there ever since I applied. I never had any issues with them. So that's just kind of, advice if you guys want to do that. Alright guys, so here's what's happening. I already put these letters T, A, and C already up. Now I got three more letters left, and I just want to show you guys quickly how I've been doing it so far, because I did mention about Gorilla Glue that I've been applying, and I just want to show you guys how am I doing it. Make sure that I'm not giving a kind of bad advice, and then later on you guys end up putting excessive amount of glue in there. So just let me show you guys how I'm doing it. Peel this off without touching the letters, just a little bit, like in some areas, just like that, and boom. And then put this over. Alright guys, so that's it. Just finished applying these letters. So starting from here. Voila. So I think it came out pretty good. You be the judge. I think it's pretty even. And let me show you guys closer. See, just like I said, I applied just a little bit of that Gorilla Glue on each letter, just to make sure that they all stay in place for the longest possible time. At the same time, there's no excessive, like a glues around the letters or the edges of them. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you guys liked it, as always, please give it a like, subscribe. I'll be doing small minor upgrades on this Tacoma as time goes on. I don't want to throw too much money at the same time, so it's going to be slowly but surely it's going to get upgraded. And thanks for sticking around. Like I said, subscribe to the channel if you like it. Leave your questions, comments, complaints in comment section below, and I'll catch you guys next video. Bye.